Good morning, everyone. This is Cherie Lynn for Just Nailed It. This morning I am doing a pastel marbling, a Smoosh marbling. I am using my jelly stamper. I have 4 different colors out: pink, yellow, purple, and blue. I'm trying not to use as much blue because it seems to dominate the marbling. So we're just putting drops on our jelly stamper. I already got my thumb done, ring finger, and pinky. Put it on your stamper. There's a few different ways to do this. This is how I do it. And you can see through your stamper. You may want to twist it and turn it so you get the desired effect you want. Make sure you take your lint roller, clean your stamper between each nail. I also have liquid latex around my nails, which I got off the Wish channel from China. It's easy for cleanup. It helps a great deal. Just put your dots randomly. I do love this. I think this is so pretty at Easter time. And last but not least, some yellow. Whoops. I think yellow may dominate this one. We will have to see. Yeah, a little bit. Here we go. Get my lint roller, clean off my stamper. It's like brand new. Now time to pull off the liquid latex. I am going to use the end of an orange stick to break the seal on some of my nails. Hopefully there won't be too much cleanup. I'm going to start with this one because this one, the polish should be dry. And there we go. We do have cleanup to do after all. I was hoping to avoid that. That one came out really well. And that turned out really well. I'm going to get my orange stick, go along the sides, hoping to drag some of this off. Then I have a pump dispenser for my fingernail polish remover. I stick an orange stick in the remover and run it along the sides of my nail, trying to clean them up. A brush would be better for this, but mine at the moment are all packed away and I did not dig one out prior. So please forgive me for that. So this is not going to be as neat as I had hoped. I hope you're enjoying this mani. If you've tried this before, or if you're interested in trying it, please leave me a comment down below. If you would like to show me, I'm on Instagram, nailedit67, one word. You can tag me in it. I'd be glad to look at what you produced. This is a great Easter manicure. At least I think it is. You may have a difference of opinion. I really love this. All I gotta do is finish clean up, put some top coat on it, and we're good to go. So, hope you've enjoyed this. Have a blessed day. Thank you.